Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to all in my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer in Finance and Banking, Milestone College, Uttara. I hope all are fine and well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, let's start the class.
My dear students, today I will discuss a very important topics of chapter 4, legal aspects of financial market. This topic's name is money laundering. Dear students, money laundering is a very important topics in these chapters. So I will discuss these topics in 3 lectures. Today is lecture number 1 of money laundering. After these lectures, you will able to answering the following topics: basic concept of money laundering, what is money laundering, third, different sources of money, dirty money, who are involved in money laundering. Dear students, let's go to the details. First, we discuss the basic concept of money laundering. Dear students, I will discuss the concept of money laundering in very easy ways with many examples. The word of laundering comes from the laundry. So, we will discuss the functions of a laundry shop, because functions of laundry shops are similar to the functions of money laundering. Dear students, in these first pictures, you can see that here some dirty clothes, and second pictures you can see that the clothes in laundering and washing, and third pictures you can see that the clothes after washing here are finishings to ready for use, and these pictures are already done dirty clothes to clean clothes. It is ready to use for us. We use laundry to clean our dirty clothes. A laundry clean dirty clothes after various processing. Now we can discuss the money laundering processing by using various images. This is an image of dirty money. Dirty money means black money that are earned to various criminal functions. These monies are called dirty money. So, as like a laundry, the dirty money will be cleaned various process. In second image, a money launderer will use dirty money laundering. After laundering, the dirty money will be cleaned and invested in various big sectors in our economy. So we can say that money laundering is the process through which dirty money is converted into clean money. Basic concept of money laundering. The word laundry literally means cleaning. Metaphorically, money laundering refers to cleaning on money. The money from the criminal activity is considered dirty money, and the process launders it to make it look clean. To clean this money, the corrupt use tools such as shell companies set up in secretive jurisdictions. They do this with the help of some lawyers, bankers, and accountants. Once the origins of the criminal profits have been successfully hidden, the funds are ready to re-enter the legitimate economy. UNODC, that means United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, reported that the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime UNODC estimates that the amount of money laundered globally in 1 year is 2 to 5% of global GDP, or dollar 2 trillion in current US dollars. Money laundering is essential for criminal organizations that wish to use illegally obtained money effectively. Dealing in large amounts of illegal cash is insufficient and dangerous. Criminal needs a way to deposit the money in legitimate financial institutions, yet they can only do so if it appears to come from legitimate sources. What is money laundering? Now we can see the definition of money laundering. Money laundering is the illegal process of making large amounts of money generated by a criminal activity such as drug trafficking or terrorist funding appear to have come from a legitimate source. In the method of money laundering, money is invested in such a way that even the investigating agencies cannot trace the main source of wealth. Money laundering refers to converting illegally earned money into legitimate money. So, money laundering is a way to hide the illegally acquired money. Money laundering is the illegal process of converting money earned from illegal activities into clean money. That is money that can be freely used in legitimate business operations and does not have to be consent from the authorities. According to the United States Treasury Department, money laundering is the process of making illegally gained proceeds, that means dirty money, appear legal, that means converted clean. According to Swiss Bank, money laundering is a process whereby the origin of funds generated by illegal means is concealed, drug trafficking, gun smuggling, corruptions, etc. In simple words, money laundering is the process through which dirty money is converted to clean money, as like the dirty cloth converted to clean cloth in a laundry house. Similar to money laundering process, dirty money to convert it clean money. Now we can see the different sources of dirty money. Dear students, it is important to know the sources of dirty money. First, drug trafficking. Second sources of dirty money is human trafficking. Third sources of dirty money, kidnapping. Fourth sources of dirty money, smuggling. And fifth sources of dirty money is corruption. Sixth sources of dirty money is criminal offense, that means banks robbery. Tax evasions and bank fraud, that means bank account hacking or banking criminals offense, and many more. Now we can see who are the involved in money laundering. That means who are the money launderer. Who involved in money laundering is called money launderer. First, drug dealers. Second, mobster or gang member. Third, bad politicians. Fourth, bad public officers. Fifth, bad bankers. Sixth, bad accountants. And embezzlers. Dear students, my next class I will discuss the process of money laundering, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
For further information or any query of you, you must contact with me in various connections, as like email. My email address is sohela6@gmail.com. Also WhatsApp number 01674800871, and also Facebook or messengers, and also my channel, YouTube channels.